Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch Japanese Netflix outside of Japan. So follow my steps to get this method right. To get access to Japanese Netflix, you should trick the Netflix website that you are in Japan, and that's by using a VPN. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing Japanese Netflix from anywhere in the world. It has the fastest speeds available, and it's one of the few that are working. So, what you need to do is to open NordVPN, and then you should search for Japan. And then you select it. And as you can see, it says that I'm connected. And once done, you should refresh the Netflix website. And that's it. As you can see, you can watch all the Japanese movies and TV shows with no problems. And when you scroll down, of course, you can see the top 10 films in Japan, and so on. I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment so you can have 63% off NordVPN, which is again the best VPN provider. And also, you get a 3 extra months for free with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.